Alright guys, we're back here with another video. My name's JC. I love that intro. How do y'all like that intro, man? Hey, Shine, hush. I'm gonna show y'all my dog right quick, my squirrel hunting dog and my coon hunting dog. Man, I love this hunting stuff. Here's my two dogs. My first one, her name's Shine. She's 4 months old. She's just a puppy. And there she is. That's my baby girl. She's looking fresh. Come here, Poison. There's my other one. She's 5 or 6 years old. I'm not sure. And I tried recording this video a lot of times. And I hit the bat button one time on accident. Shine, hush. And it's just crazy doing this YouTube stuff. I love that intro. I just created it. Man, it's a good one. I like it really a lot. So, where's Slade? Let's see where Slade's at. Slade, come here. Slade. 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 Come here. Come on. I had to redo this video. And we live on the Mill Hill. Come on, Slade. I had to redo the video. Come on. And I know Slade ain't in the intro, but he will be in soon. So here's Slade. There he is. Did that wheelie like a good boy. Ready? I'm not on my bike today. It's over at Slade's house.
No, it's down at Connor's.
It's down at Connor's?
Yes.
What's Connor doing with it?
He took off with it. I was down at his house.
Well, I'm going to have to beat his butt. Well, there's Slade.
Hey, we'll be sharing the bike.
Yeah, but not right now because this is just, I've already made 2 videos today.
I'm gonna do some more tricks for y'all. I'm gonna do another wheelie. Ready?
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Back at it again with the white vans.
Alrighty, well, my name's JC. His name's Slade.
Wait, one more.
Shut up, Slade.
And we're out.
And we're out.